We've been on the move, 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 move. We've been on the move, up, down, left, right, all night, it's right. We be on the, we the misfits with a movement. Get the party started, yeah, I'm grooving. Whole team move like a cruise ship. Don't believe me, I'll prove it. Look good, feel good, she's loving the swag though. Her heart is on, I'm so Picasso. Keep the fam close, cause you know I can handle. Got a little vibe, let me give you a sample. On the dance floor, dance feeling so free, cause my soul free. You should've seen the OB. From my side, toda la noche, let's go. Todo junto con familia, they loving the show. Oh.
Hey guys, we are here in Sweden. You can see a typical Swedish weather. We are near Stockholm at the base of DO88 Performance, our main supplier of tuning parts. We took this trip with Care, our main dealer, to show you all their base, their stock, and to find out some new stuff. So let's take this tour.
Earth shakers and rule breakers. It's time to ring the alarm. I move major, a true flavor. One of the ones you do safer. With jewels in the pit, but nothing like Tomb Raider. It's all me, a one-man army, a one-man band. Understand I'm all weak, coming with big plans. Both hands, I'm hardly trying to stay cool, break rules. I'm sorry, the ghosts do the same. I know the power's too much. Break the chains, gonna make them loose up. Every day in a way I move up. Why? Cause I shake the room, cause I shake the room. That's a fact, I'ma shake the room. You can't control me, man, understand, I'ma shake the room. Hey, turn me up, man, it's obvious. I'm here to change up all of this.
That's like 60 times. So must go on. It moves. That is fooling, but hydroairplane is no fun.
So I shake the room, so I shake the room. I'm talking like this cause you need it. You can really be a boss, I mean it. Why blend in when you can be a leader? Come shake the room, come shake the room. Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah, ain't no the room. Oh yeah, let's go.
Welcome to DO88 in Sweden. We are developing, producing and distributing cooling performance parts via our dealer network and to private consumers. We've been around since 2007, grown step by step since then. My name is Isaac, I'm the sales manager.
And I'm Fredrik, I'm one of the two founders of DO88. Me and my friend Nils started this business back in 2007. We are located in Sweden in a small village named Nykvarn. We are 12 employees here in our facility. Right now we are building a larger building for our warehouse since we have a steady growth year by year.
Yeah, so we need a space because we're stocking everything that we sell here. Again, we have lots of dealers around the world. Happy to work with RSR for one. They're doing a great job. Okay, so we started in 2007. Starting off by offering universal silicone hoses, aluminum pipes and accessories to sort of build your own cooling system. That was the first idea. Over the years we expanded into offering also model adapted parts. Saab and Volvo, being Swedes, are close to our hearts, so that was a natural first step. Over the years we have expanded also our efforts to now also include VW, Audi, BMW and Porsche. So we are still expanding in that field. So among the most popular products that we carry today is the VW intercoolers for the MQB chassis and also the Evo 4, you can say, the Mark 8R. Very popular products. Other than that, we're also focusing a lot on BMW the B58 and the S58 engine. Amazing power plants, and it's easy to understand why these are popular cars, because they produce so much output with little effort. Our latest development, however, is these parts we have here for the RS6C8.
Yes, we have developed an air intake system and also intercoolers for this car. A full carbon air intake system with a high flowing BMC air filter. This unit will have 40% lower, it will increase the airflow 40% compared to the stock. And the intercoolers, we will use the custom designed Garrett cores with larger hose connections compared to stock to increase the airflow. It will have a 16% lower pressure drop compared to stock, and measured on the stage 3 RS6, it produces almost a 30% lower air intake temperature.
Developments like this for the RS6, it takes a lot of time and effort, but we still have a long list of new projects coming, so we appreciate your patience. There will be more products soon. Thank you so much, RSR, for stopping by today. We really enjoyed you taking the time to come here and visit us, and have a safe trip home.
Thank you very much.
To give you some more inside info, or to tell you the reason why we're usually choosing DO88 over other brands, is that after all these years of testing and test fitting tuning cars, we found out that this brand has the best pricing, best fitment, and usually everything is in stock, and we are very happy with all the results. And they're listening to dealers, they're listening to customers. We wanted them to produce some parts for the new RS6, and they listened to us, and I think they made some really great job, and that we will be very happy with the results, and we will be soon testing all the parts for our new RS6C8. So we fulfilled one of our dreams and met those guys. We're trying to make some interesting content. We'll show you some parts of Sweden. We're lucky that our dealer with his MK3 joined us with crazy 500 horsepower, making over 3,000 kilometers. And I hope you like it. Follow us, give us some likes and comments.
Yeah.
Thank you.